So ngayon pag-uusapan naman natin yung overhead variances, no? So we will discuss no mula two-way papuntang three-way, four-way, five-way variance analysis. So let's start with the total overhead variance, no? So base yung ating discussion is base dun sa problem 8-20. Okay? So let's compute the total overhead variance dun sa problem 8-20, no, yung solutions corporation. So, the total overhead variance is the difference between the actual overhead na given naman dun sa problem and the applied overhead. So, yung applied overhead, ano siya, no, standard hours allowed on actual output times the uh, variable or times the overhead rate, no. So hatiin natin sa dalawa, no, yung variable, no. So given naman sa problem yung $30 per hour na variable overhead rate per hour times yung standard assembly hours per unit 2 hours times kung ilang unit yung pinroduce, so 216. So that will give you 12,960. For the fixed overhead, yung budgeted overhead na 19,200, i-divide mo kung ilan yung units na pinlano nilang i-produce. So, 19,200 divided by 200, that will give you the fixed overhead per unit times ilang units yung na-produce, 216. So, 20,736. Add the two amounts, that will give you the applied overhead of 33,696. Now, comparing 33,696 to the actual overhead of 33,291, so the actual overhead is less than the applied overhead by 405. So, pagka po ganyan, yung actual mas mababa sa applied, that will be a favorable overhead variance. So, kaya siya naka-green dito. So, our total overhead variance is favorable, $405.